time. It's time under hydroponics.
Let's drill a pool. Now the pool, as you can look over there, is a very shallow pool, 30 to 50 centimeters. This is the depth. Putting, how you say, calcar? How do you call this white
Limestone.
No. Foam.
White stone.
Foam sheet.
Foam. Okay. Using the foam, very simple, very even primitive. Cover it with plastic, the same plastic that we are using in greenhouses, and plant. Now I did it 2 years ago in the winter. Everything was good. The winter is good. Everything is nice for us and for the plant. But summer is coming after every winter, and the temperatures start to go up. And I saw that the plants starting to collapse, and the roots become black, and the plants are dying. Said, okay, what is happening here? So I went to the books to read, and I saw that when the temperature of the water rise up to 26, the oxygen in the water goes out. Is a physical process that happens if you want it or not. The oxygen will leave the water, so you can need to put more oxygen. Putting oxygen with hot water is not working; is disappearing. So we need to cool the water. Now, how to cool the water?
With coolers.
Sorry?
With coolers.
With coolers.
Spraying
Cooler is the normal solution. It costs 100,000 shekels for only these 2 dunam. That, listen, I cannot pay this amount of money. So I saw with a very primitive solution, we solved the problem, and now I can grow lettuce even during the summertime when I'm getting water from the government of 31, 32 Celsius degrees. So I'm putting the water, closing the pool, cooling it, and then planting in the pool. Very cheap.
It's working.
Yeah. And cheaper.
This guy,
Cheaper.
this is a guy, something in mind.
Yeah.
They're thinking.
Yeah.